Hi, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to completely clean out and organize my refrigerator, and I walk you through kind of how I do that. So enjoy. And if you're new here, I do post new videos, cleaning, organizing, DIY, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. To start out, you're going to want to remove all of the items from the door. This is normally how I start. I start on the door, then on the top, all the way down to the bottom. So I'm pulling everything out and going through it at the same time. So anything that's old or gross or I'm not even sure about, I'm tossing, and then everything else I'm putting away. Now I'm wiping everything down, making sure there's no stuck on food or anything on the door. Now that I've sorted everything, it's time to clean out all of the door shelves. Clean those out with just warm water and some soap. Now I am putting everything back. So I did sort everything, and now I want to make sure that the condiments are together, and I just try to group items together. So salad dressings and condiments, those get grouped together. Now I'm removing everything from the top two shelves, and I'm going to clean those shelves off. Now I'm cleaning inside, just the walls of the refrigerator. I haven't done this in a while, so there can be some caked on stuff. Putting the shelves back in, and then I'm grouping everything together, putting the bread together, putting leftovers and cut up fruits and vegetables up on the top shelf, and then cleaning out the drawers, the deli drawer, and then the fruit and veggie drawers, as you can see. Now, after I do this, I don't know about you, but my refrigerator only stays organized for like 2 or 3 days, and then it just ends up being trashed again. But I do try. So I have some plastic fridge insert little bins that I use. So one of the drawers that I have most of the veggies in, I had cleaned out a couple of days ago. So I'm just cleaning the last one. And now I'm going through all of the gross old food and gonna clean out all of the plastic containers and put it in the yard waste. And Thank you so much for watching. I did put together an infographic for you if you would like a little quick reference to help you with cleaning out your fridge. So I have the link below. You can go ahead and download it. It's totally free. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.